Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Power Query in Excel. Power Query is a powerful, built-in tool that helps you import and transform data efficiently. If you're using Excel 2016 or newer, it's already integrated. For earlier versions, you can easily download and install it as a free add-in from Microsoft's website. This makes it accessible to almost all Excel users. Once Power Query is available, navigate to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon. Look for the Get and Transform Data group. Here, you'll find the Get Data button, which allows you to connect to various sources like files, databases, or online services. Clicking this will open the Power Query editor, your central hub for all data transformation tasks. Inside the Power Query editor, you have a wide array of tools to clean and shape your data. You can easily remove columns or rows you don't need, change data types to ensure everything is consistent, and even split or combine columns. It's also simple to merge multiple queries or append new data to existing ones, streamlining your data preparation process. After you've finished transforming your data, you can load it directly into an Excel worksheet by clicking Close and Load from the Home tab in the Power Query editor. Your query is automatically saved within the workbook, allowing you to refresh the data with a single click whenever your source changes. This makes your reports dynamic and always up to date. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.